Hey y'all, my name is Matt Bogosian. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take you on a tour through this home right here behind me. This is called the Ansley floor plan, and it is built by Beazer Homes. And the reason I'm taking you on a tour through this home is because it is gonna be one of the floor plans getting built in Parsons Valley in Thompson Station. So I'm excited to show you guys this house. Come on, let's go check it out. All right, guys, so you probably found this tour because you're looking to buy a home in Parsons Valley and you wanted to see what the floor plans are like. This is actually a model home at another community, so that's why that fence is right there. And then also the plans online for Parsons Valley show that it's gonna be a front entry garage. So that's gonna be 2 garage doors right there. On this one, they've got it as a side entry. I love the different materials that they used. They've got some brick, some stone right there. Some kind of, it's probably like a cement board shaker style. And if you notice up on the roof, I don't know if you guys can see that, there are solar panels on the roof. And it is my understanding they're planning on doing that in Parsons Valley. So we'll see if that happens. Really nice looking little front porch right here. And let's head on in and check out the house. That's why you guys are here, right? Wipe my feet. All right, so you step into the foyer. So before I begin, I do want to say this house is actually a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and it has 2,500-ish square feet. So just keep that in mind. This is the most economical floor plan in Parsons Valley, besides the townhomes. So also keep that in mind. So you've got a long hallway going all the way to the main living area. And immediately when you step into the left, you've got 2 bedrooms and you've got a bathroom right here. So here's bedroom, I guess we'll call it bedroom 3. It's got its own closet. Yeah, I mean, it's just a typical normal sized bedroom. In between the bedrooms, you've got a full bathroom right here. Nice, and they did do tile on the walls. I'm sure that you can change that color if you want. I like that they did it all the way up and that there's that little window right there. That's nice. Look at those floors too. I like that. And then here in the front, you've got another bedroom and there's a closet over there. And you know, if you're not gonna need this as a bedroom, you could always make this or that other one right there an office if you wanted, just as an option. And let me show you guys the floors. I really like the floors. It's a nice wide plank. All right, so walking forward, this is cool because they've got a little, see, that's what it's gonna look like most likely over in Parsons Valley. All right, so you head this way. I'm gonna hook a right quick. And I believe this takes you to the garage, am I right? Yep. So here's your garage. This is actually a decent sized garage for a 2-car. You've got a little landing zone right here so your kids can run in and throw all their junk down. And this is just a closet. All right, check out this living room. Hold on, I'm gonna stop. All right, take it all in. It's nice, isn't it? It's good that they staged it because it shows you that they can fit pretty decent sized couches and furniture in here, and there's still plenty of space behind it to be able to walk in, which is nice. I hate when this gets too crowded. Yeah, this is cool. And then you get your TV over the fireplace. Nice ceiling fan. What's cool is it is open right here to the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. The first thing I always look at in these kitchens is how much cabinet space I see, and of course the cabinets. And I see a lot of cabinet space. I really do. I mean, I see enough. Yeah, I mean, plenty of space. Let me kind of show y'all. Yeah, see how it opens to the living room? And this is just cool because you're sitting here, like right here. Let me just take a seat. You're sitting right here at the bar stool and you're hanging out. Maybe you're having you got your laptop here, you got a brewski, talking to your family, Maybe your wife's over there watching some TV, hanging out. Like, this is just a cool spot. I could see myself hanging here. This community has gas. I'm not sure if Parsons Valley is gonna have gas, so just keep that in mind. They've got a microwave instead of an oven hood, but that's okay because look, I'm seeing a double oven right here. Nice sink right here with the window looking out the back. There's your dishwasher. And then there's more space in the island. And then this is your pantry. Oh, they got the peanut butter Chex, gluten-free. All right, so here behind the kitchen is the dining room. So look, you're getting a dining room, a big kitchen, and living room all together. You can fit, there's plenty of space to put a bigger table right there too. You could put a huge table right here. So now let me show you the whole area. And I mean, look at that. Now you got, just picture your parents are sitting here doing a puzzle. You're over here. Maybe you're preparing dinner or opening the takeout that you ordered. I'm sitting right there drinking a beer, pretty much doing nothing. Then you got maybe some nice Christmas music playing on YouTube right here on the TV with like a nice pleasant background. See, I'm painting a picture of it, aren't I? And then on this particular home, this is normally a covered patio. They have it as a sitting room. So this makes me wonder if this will be available in Parsons Valley. Let me see here. Oh yeah, look, choose your kitchen. And I know they have this at Parsons Valley. So you can go with that kitchen where the sink is in the island, or that kitchen where it's not in the island. Choose your ideal layout. It won't cost you extra. I think I like that, but y'all might want your sink right there too. So something to think about. This is probably extra. This is pretty sweet. I could see myself getting my coffee here in the morning, chilling. And then there's a little back patio off of this. I'm not gonna show you the backyard because this is a different community, so the yard doesn't really matter. All right, I hope I'm not missing something. Let me just show you all the fireplace really quick. I'm sure there's different fireplaces you can choose from. The ceilings are also tall in here. I believe she told me that the ceilings are gonna be 9 foot on the downstairs and upstairs in Parsons Valley. So that's nice. Because I'm like 6'3", right? All right, you come around the corner and laundry room. And it's got some nice cabinets right here. So it's a decent laundry room. And then right here, you've just got a little closet. And now we've got the primary bedroom. Let me just hold this right here so y'all can see it. I love all the natural light coming in from those 3 windows. I love the tray ceiling. That light fixture they have is so nice. Y'all spend money on this type of stuff. Spend money. It's worth it to spend money on a ceiling like that and that light fixture. People love it. You'll be able to sell the home for like $50,000 more. I'm just kidding. But yeah. Wow, it's nice. There's another shot of those floors. See how it's like a medium kind of brown, lightish? I mean, I like a warm tone like that. Okay. Oh, so look, they have some options for the primary bathroom. Let me see if I can figure out this is. Okay, so you can do a tub or you can do a big shower. This particular plan has the big shower, which I tend to like, but so first you've got the double vanity. Look at all those cabinets and drawers. Just hold it right here. I'm just gonna hold it. All right, huge mirror too. I had to do that, sorry. And then see how the shower, see this big shower option? It's just nice. I think I was told that it's 50-50, but I feel like more people would rather have this big shower than a tub. What are you gonna do in a tub? You can't even fit in there, you know it. You know you can't. As a grown adult, you can't hardly fit in them, so no offense. It's okay, cardio will help. You'll get there eventually. Don't beat yourself up. All right? Yeah. Really nice. I love this. I think this is quartz. Remember back in the day, they just did the white marble and it was just so plain. It was like the sink, but just the whole countertop. Ugh. I believe this is a closet. So this is what you get. If you don't do the tub, you get this big shower in this closet. If you do the tub, this is a tub, and then you're gonna get a shower that's gonna be smaller right there. Another closet. Holy moly. So you've got a linen closet, a medicine closet. That's pretty sweet. That's just your water closet. And then here is the closet. It's actually a good size. It's admirable. It's respectable. And you could do wonders in here if you had built-ins put in. Oh, if you put $3,000 or something like that, $3 to $5,000 into like a custom closet, holy moly, it would be beautiful. All right, let's keep moving. I know you guys have things to do. We're gonna go upstairs. Let me give you this shot. First of all, here's the stairs right here. I like where they are too. The stairs, it's a really nice spot. Very convenient and out of the way. It doesn't feel, they look nice. I like the wood spindles like that. Yeah, really nice location. So when you come up the stairs, you can look back down. Here's what it looks like. And then you've got that over there. Wood treads on the stairs. And you come up and y'all check this out. To the right, you've got a loft. How sweet is this? What I love about it is it's the right shape to be able to put furniture up here and put a TV over there, and it makes sense. I can't tell you how many times I see these lofts that have weird bump outs and they don't work. That's probably some kind of storage right there. They have it sealed shut, but let me come over here. So from this corner. But yeah, see how they have this giant couch in the corner? I just like that. That's what I would do, and I'd have my TV right there. Problem solved. Let me go over to this corner. Lots of, too, I didn't mention, lots of LED lighting throughout. Some of that lighting is probably extra, so keep that in mind, but I mean, the lighting's phenomenal. So there's the stairs right there, and this is just like really nice. I like this. All right, so then you've got this hallway, and straight ahead is a bathroom. Let me take you to that. Just your standard secondary bathroom. I love that they have a bathroom up here because it's much needed. And there is like a little linen closet right here. And then backing up right here to the left is a bedroom. This is actually the largest bedroom besides the primary, I believe. Nice closet. So, oh, this would be sweet if this was a family with maybe 2 kids and maybe you've got one that's older and you give them this one up here. And then when they leave and graduate high school to go to college, you give it to the other. So, all right. Yeah. All right, you guys. So there you have it. That is the Ansley floor plan, and it's going to be getting built in Parsons Valley by Beazer Homes. If you think you'd be interested in the Ansley, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below where you can book a call with me, and then we can talk about availability, what lots they have, the phases and pricing. We could even set up an appointment with the Beazer rep if you wanna take it that far. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see the other floor plans. I'm going to be doing as many as I can, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. Thanks.